Good morning, students. Today we are starting new chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. So in this chapter we will study about electricity. Where do we get electricity from? Generator, electric cell, types of electric cell, electric circuit, symbols of electric component, electric switch, and conductors and insulator, heating effect of electric current, electric fuse, effects of electric current, electromagnet, electric bell. So these are the topics that we will cover in this chapter. So first of all, we will learn about electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? It is the closed conducting path in which the electric current flows is called an electric circuit, and it consists of a source of electric current, cells, a conducting wire, an electrical appliance, that is bulb, and then switch or key. And when the switch is closed, the circuit is said to be closed circuit and the bulb will start glowing. And in this condition you can see current flows and the appliance works. And however, the circuit is said to be open when the switch is open and there is no flow of current. As you can see, that bulb will not glow in this case. So now what are the sources of electric current? A device that produces an electric current, it is called source of electric current. For example, cells and batteries. So now after this, what is battery? When two or more cells are used to draw an electric current, the combination of cell is called a battery. So now the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. And many devices such as torch, transistor, toys, TV remote control use batteries. It produces light and it is represented by the coiled wire inside the circle as shown in the animation. So you can see the symbol of wire. The connecting wire, it is represented by the straight line and it is made of copper and provided with insulation. You can see that insulation wire. And the plug key is an electric switch. So it shows in both on and off position in figure, as you can see here in this animation. So a thin long line represents the positive terminal and the thick short line represents the negative terminal. Okay. And after this, combination of two or more cells is called a battery. As you can see the symbol of battery. Now, fuse is the safety device in the electric circuit, and the components such as cell, bulb, wire are also the elements of an electrical circuit. And the various components of circuits are represented by standard circuit symbols. You can see the standard symbols, and it is much easier to draw a circuit diagram using symbol. So we represent the electric circuit by the circuit diagram. As you can see the circuit diagram, that we are using the symbols. Okay. And symbols are shown here. So now what is heating effect of electric current? So when an electric bulb glows continuously for a long time, it becomes very hot as some part of electrical energy is converted into the heat energy. So as you can see that when we will touch the bulb, it will be hot. And this is known as heating effect of current. And the heating elements in the electrical appliance like electric rod, electric oven, electric toaster, that is made up of nichrome alloy. So here we are doing one activity to understand the heating effect of electric current. Okay. First of all, here you can see that what we will do, see carefully. I am showing you again. What is the activity? See carefully. So now first of all you will take 10 centimeter long piece of nichrome wire and tie it between the nail. Touch the wire and switch on the current in the circuit by moving the switch on. And touch the wire again. Do not hold the wire for long time and switch off the current. Touch the wire again after a few minutes. We observe that wire become hot when an electric current passes through it. And this is the heating effect of electric current. Now we are doing about safety devices. So first of all we are discussing about MCB. What is MCB? Miniature circuit breaker, and it can also be used to protect the circuit from strong current. So now here you can see that strong currents often lead to overheating of wires, which can result in the breakout of fire. And a fuse, it is used for the protection of the circuit, which consists of thin wire of low melting point. Now in 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted, they discovered that flowing current in a conductor generates a magnetic field. And Ørsted demonstrated this by connecting the two ends of wire to a cell through a switch. And he placed the magnetic compass near the wire. When he allowed the current to pass through the wire by closing the switch, he observed deflection in the magnetic needle, as you can see here. And he also noticed that it acquired the original position when the flow of current is stopped. Now, understanding the magnetic effect of current. For this, we will take a discarding matchbox, and after this, wind an electric wire a few times around the cardboard, as you can see in this animation. So now place a small compass needle inside it and connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cells through a switch. So after this, note the direction of the compass needle. Bring a bar magnet near the compass needle. We observe that needle get deflected. And at the same time, move the switch to on position. And we will observe the needle gets deflected again. So now move the switch back to the off position, and we will observe the needle comes back to the original position. So we conclude that electric current passes through a wire. It behaves like a magnet. So for the deflection of compass needle by electric current, wrap an electric wire a few times around the tray, as you can see in this animation. So after this, place a small compass needle inside it, and now it connects one free end of the wire to the terminal of the battery and leave the other end free, and take another piece of wire and connect it to the other terminal of the battery. Insert the free end of the wire into half cut of potato and observe. You will observe a compass needle gets deflected, and also find that it was always a wire connected to the positive terminal, which was greenish blue spot around it. So here you can see that they felt that the discovery was very useful because it could be used for identifying the positive terminal of the cell or battery concealed in a box. So after this was regarding magnetic effect. Now, okay, thank you.